Hi dear teachers, my dear students and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about the active voice and passive voice which are with two objects such as indirect object and direct object. If the statement contains two objects such as direct object and indirect object, how to change that particular active voice into passive voice? For example, my uncle bought me a new dress. This is the sentence which is in active voice. My uncle, here in this sentence, my uncle is the subject, bought is the verb which is in the second form, me is indirect object, a new dress is a direct object. The object which comes immediately after the verb in the given statement is called indirect object. The object which comes after the indirect object is called direct object. Object 1 is called indirect object, object 2 is called direct object. My uncle bought me a new dress. While changing this active voice into passive voice, we can take indirect object or direct object in order to change it into passive voice. For example, my uncle bought me a new dress. My uncle bought me a new dress. A new dress was bought to me by my uncle. I was bought a new dress by my uncle. Here we can use either indirect object or direct object in order to change active voice into passive voice when the active voice contains two objects. Let us take some more examples which are related to the direct and indirect objects. I taught him English grammar. I taught him English grammar. This is in active voice. Here I is the subject, taught is the second form of the verb, him is the object which is called indirect object, English grammar is direct object. Now let us write passive voice for the given statement. Now let us take direct object in order to change the given statement into passive voice. I taught him English grammar. English grammar was taught to him by me. He was taught English grammar by me. In such a way, you can use direct object or indirect object in passive voice while changing the active voice with the two objects such as indirect objects and direct objects. Okay, for good and all, let us know about direct and indirect objects once again clearly. The object which comes immediately after the verb is called indirect object. Direct object will come after the indirect object in a statement. Okay, let us see one more example. The teachers gave the students the books. This is in active voice. Here the teacher's subject. Gave is the verb which is in the second form of the verb. The students is the object which is nothing but indirect object. The books is direct object. Object 1 is called indirect object. Object 2 is called direct object. Now let us write the passive voice for the given statement by taking direct object and indirect object. The teachers gave the students the books. The books were given to the students by the teachers. Passive voice. The students were given the books by the teachers. Passive voice. In such a way, we can use either direct object or indirect object in order to change the active voice with double objects. Okay. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.